Are you a teacher that wants to incorporate financial literacy into your classroom this upcoming year in a meaningful way, but not sure exactly how to do it? I'm Thom Gibson, and since 2014, I've been doing a classroom economy with my students. In the classroom economy, students apply for jobs, they get letters of recommendations for those applications, they pay rent on their desk, they spend money in a classroom auction, they spend money on classroom fines, they start their own businesses, pay taxes, some buy their desks so they no longer have to pay rent, some begin to buy other students' desks and become landlords themselves, they give to charity, they plan for an emergency, and a lot more. I recently filmed throughout the school year to show my process of creating and managing this classroom economy, from the stuff that I think about during the summer to those first few weeks with the students and explaining them the system, to how I introduce the different elements down the road, and how I end the year with the students, with the goal of being able to teach you how to create and manage your own classroom economy so that it's running like a well-oiled machine. In my online course, I teach you what you need to do to prepare, what you need to think through with class jobs, how to hire and train your students, how to use the different online banking systems, what you want your classroom fines to be, all the different online tools and systems that I use to automate much of the classroom economy system, how to run a classroom auction, how students can turn their classroom economy money into real money that goes to charities, and much more. In each lesson, you're going to get a homework assignment on what you need to do to adapt this part of the classroom economy system to your classroom and to your students and to your personality. I give you access to all of my Google Docs that you can actually create and copy and edit and modify as you see fit. And what I love about sharing my process with other teachers is every teacher always does things a little bit different. And so by being a part of this course, you'll be invited to a private Facebook group where other educators are thinking through the same things you are and asking questions or sharing how they're actually making it work in their classrooms. There's so many elements of financial literacy that I did not learn in school. And if I did, I learned them through a textbook or through a worksheet, and almost never did I learn it through this experience of actually making and managing my own money. I've created this classroom economy to give my students that opportunity to learn the different skills around making money, spending money, giving money, and saving money. So if you're ready to incorporate financial literacy through experiential learning in your classroom, then click on the link below to learn more about the Creating and Managing a Classroom Economy course. Click on the link below to learn more, and I hope to chat with you soon.